Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. This is a very good problem. This problem is ninth problem. Previous problem I had done is eighth problem I had done. 8 and 7 are similarly same. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 5. You substituted, you will get 7th question. 8th I have done, just you can do yourself. Then similarly 9th sum is what? Very good question actually. When I done in my classroom, first time I made a mistake actually, octant like this taken. But it's very dangerous problem. He is telling z is equal to 0 to y plus z is equal to 4. So it's standing on what? Top of the xy plane. Then x square plus y square is equal to what? Circle. So on xy plane my cylinder is standing like this. Maybe it's cutting like this. Cuts this shape and coming. Getting or not? So base area is what? Circle. Top also circle, but it's cutting like a line. Getting or not? So it's very dangerous problem. Now first I will fix the z limits. Z is equal to 0 to z is equal to what I will get? 4 minus y. Once if I fix the z limits, I want to get the two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means what? Xy plane, no doubt. On xy plane, what is my shape actually? Correct or not? So in xy plane now I am traveling actually. 4. Suppose if you draw x constant, what I will do? X is equal to minus 2 plus 2, y is equal to what? Root of this minus 2 will get. Here another thing is what? Don't write 2 into 4 because the whole volume will be multiplied. So very dangerous sum. Okay. If I draw x constant, x is travel from where to where? Minus 4 to plus 4. Y is travel from what? Root of minus 4 minus x square. Sorry, this is what? 4 at 2. Minus 2 to plus 2. Then y is equal to root of 4 minus x square. See, because of this you can take 4 times like this and 2 times like this. Very dangerous problem, because if you multiply with volume 4 means what? The volume become 4 times. So you never multiply by 4. Correct or not? Because stands on z-axis, only one side, only top of the xy only we are taking. Don't multiply with 4. So full limits you can take better. Now 0 to, because it's very dangerous, 4 minus y dz. This is z limits, this is y limits, then this is what? X limits. Now what we will do? Minus 2 to 2 minus 4 minus x square root of 4 minus x square. If you do means what? Z will get. Z limit is what? 0 to 4 minus y dy dx. Minus 2 to 2. Then if you apply z limit is root of 4 minus x square, z limit is what? 4 minus y, lower limit based dy dz. Now again integrate. Again I will use as a linear concept here. Integral minus 2 to 2 4 minus y whole square by 2 this minus 1 you can divide, then dy this is dx. Limits are what? Root of 4 minus y whole square, limit is 1 root of, again headache. Okay, we do dx. Better it don't apply the linear concept. If you go directly, what you will get? 4y into y square. I think that is better. If again you have to expand somewhat headache. Okay, this you don't do like this. Better you can do, because while square means are somewhat headache expansion in terms, directly can do this. Minus 2 to 2. This what you will get? 4y minus y square by 2. This is x square dx. Minus 2 to upper limit if you apply means 4 into root of 4 minus x square. Lower limit if you apply means what? Plus minus or minus plus. So 4 into root of 4 minus x square. This become vanish. Upper limit minus lower limit minus of this 0 will get. Anyway, the odd theorem also we can. So balance term, this is the balance. This is the best way. Any problem? Now 4 plus 4 what I will get? 8 I will get. Minus 2 to 2. If you want you can, because it's linear even function, you can write 8 into 2 minus 2 to root of 0 to 2 4 minus x square dx 16. Now apply a square minus x square means x by 2, same thing, plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a 0 to 2. Here if you apply limit 4 minus 4 0, lower limit if you miss, this full thing waste. Only this fellow will stands. Then this is 16 into 4 by 2 sine inverse x by sine inverse 1 and pi by 2. Lower limit based 16 pi. This is the volume. Very good problem. Do again once, twice. When you do first time, will make mistakes. See, next is what? Tenth question. Find the volume of sphere. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to v square. Similarly, same problem we done in tutorial 2x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Actually there what you will get 4 pi by 4 by 3 pi ABC. Here A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A. If we substitute, means what? 4 by 3 pi A cube, nothing but the volume of sphere. So this also I am skipping. So 2 problems I skipped here, 10th problem and 7th problem. Try to do. Anyway, thank you for watching our channel. Kindly subscribe our channel and be part of service and inform to all your friends. It's very benefit for you in examination time. Without any teacher, so any help, you can do this, because always video is available, means what? Just you can click the video and see. So its meaning means what? Always the teacher will be with you only. Just to see the videos, try to understand. If you have any doubts, kindly contact me at any time. I am ready to help. Without hesitation, you can call me. Speak in any language, no problem. Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannadam, anything. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.